And if you don't want to buy in the U.S., the housing market to the north in Canada is proving a big winner for the Chinese as well. They're looking all over the place, but it's a bit difficult to read. After months of negative forecasts from economists, banks are starting to upgrade their outlook for Canadian property. Kristiaan Yeo reports from Toronto.
When Phil Green moved to Toronto, he was initially content with renting. But like many Canadians, he caught the ownership bug and last year decided to take the plunge and buy his own home.
With the rental prices going up in Toronto the way they were, I figured it's a good time to get in the market.
Canada's property market dodged the bullet that brought prices crashing down in the US. Real estate continued to be a key driver of growth here, but there's increasing talk of a bubble.
The slowdown really has only just begun. Not only is housing demand softening, but there's also an oversupply of new unoccupied homes.
The big picture remains complex. A major trade association for Canadian mortgages has forecast a 25 to 30% drop in home sales by 2015, with a possible loss of 150,000 industry-related jobs. Despite a dip in June's sales, Toronto house prices rose by another 4.7% last month, and after a relatively slow year, demand is starting to pick up.
Even in this neighborhood, somebody just bought a house and flipped it around and sold it for, I don't think the profits are as large as they used to be, maybe 50,000 or something like that, but still for 2 months' work, that's not bad.
Having initially warned of prices tumbling this year, many banks have now revised their forecasts. So is it safe to buy in Canada?
I think there's an uptick in Vancouver now. Calgary is always very seasonal, with the oil money, going up and down, and the markets seem to go with it.
Rebounding sales and rising prices suggest that if there is a bubble in Canada's real estate market, it may not burst, though rising mortgage rates could spell trouble down the line for new homeowners like Phil. Kristiaan Yeo, CCTV, Toronto.